everyone, welcome to Jeannie's class. So welcome to the words combination series episode 2. So today we're going to talk about the word 好. So if you talk to Chinese people or if you watch my episode, you found out Chinese people like to use this word 好 a lot. So there's a lot of words combination we use quite a lot. So let's talk about it today. Okay, so first of all, we need to talk about 好. So that means good. So when someone asks you a suggestion, like what do you think? If you say 好, that means you agree with their idea, like it's really good. Okay, so if you wanted to say it's not good, so how are you going to say it? Well, say simple, so you just put 不 in front of it. So that's 不好. 不好. Okay, so if you want to ask their opinion to say if it's good or not good, so it's simple. So you basically just say 好不好 in a question tone. 好不好? 好不好? So basically, what do you think? Does it sound good? Next one we're gonna learn is talking about rather than just good. So we're gonna talking about it's really good. So there's a lot of ways of saying it. So one of it is 很好. 很好. So it actually is the third tone, but when it put in front of another word that is third tone, so the first one will naturally become a second tone. So it's 很好. 很好. So another way of saying it is 真好. 真好. 真 is short for 真的, which means it's really. So 真好 means it's really good. Okay, the next one is 非常好. 非常好. So 非常 it means very, but compared to 很好 and 真好, it's another level up. So if someone say to you 非常好, it means it's really, really good. So another way is saying that it's so good is 超级好. 超级好. 超级 means super. So it's superly awesome. So if you ever watch one of the episodes showing affection different level, so in there you will find out 真的, 很, 非常, that all can use to describe the degree of an adjective, right? So if saying something is beautiful, then you put those three words in front of beautiful. So it's basically the degree, like how beautiful it is, right? It's the degree. So in that episode, you will see a lot of that saying how much someone likes someone, right? So you can use all that words as well. Okay, that's what we have learned today. 学会了吗？今年我觉得吧，我们要重点放在创新方面啊，这样子才能超过其他的竞争对手。你们觉得这个主意怎么样？好不好？黄总，我觉得不好，因为我们预算有限，我觉得明年再实施吧。你们觉得呢？黄总，我觉得你这个主意很好，我非常赞同，我很喜欢。黄总，我觉得你这个主意真好。真厉害，我都没有想过哎，就这么做了，就这么定了黄总，这真是超级好，您实在是太厉害了，我们这种小脑袋根本就想不出来，真是超好超好，太厉害了，黄总，就这么定了那既然大家说好，那就这么定了。小美，你刚才说觉得不好，你现在觉得怎么样了？好。